Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing some decluttering of our garage and taking some things out of our house that we want to go ahead and store in our new storage unit that we are renting. So we are going to start with that and just start our whole declutter series, and then we are also going to be doing some deep cleaning. Get ready for today's video. I hope you guys are all doing amazing, and let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, our garage was hectic. It is almost embarrassing to open the garage door because we just accumulated so many things and just created messes in there over the past year that it's super messy. And we decided to rent a storage unit, which we were really excited about, so we can go ahead and store some of those things that we just use once a year, like a Christmas tree, some of that childhood like memorabilia that I have saved for myself and the rest of my family. Also stuff like the holiday decor, things in the summer that we like, our floaties or anything that we only use during the summer for like camping, fishing, whatever. So it's going to be perfect to consolidate everything, store it there. There's AC there, there's security, it's all good, and just get our garage back and use it for its purpose, like parking a car in there and stuff that we need more often, like tools and things like that.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that
I don't know if you guys struggle with this too, but my husband is not for all of the decor. He thinks I should have a lot less, and he just doesn't get it. But that's what makes the holidays magical, is transforming your house and your home to the cozy holiday vibes. So if I got rid of all this stuff, he wouldn't get those cozy vibes that he loves when I do actually decorate. I just happen to need space to organize it, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna organize that and all these extra things that he's also gonna be storing away. That's just gonna help everything in our garage just more minimal. So we do have to reorganize the garage and do a lot of deep cleaning in there as well.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing.
These ones long way. Do the same thing we did there to this side, stack it all the way up. Do 2 rows there. Yeah, we're gonna have to, and then you could still have a little bit of room like this to walk around if you need to pull stuff out.
Yes, sir. We can go all the way up there. Lots of plans to move stuff from Ava's room, more things in the garage, downstairs closet, and also make pathways so we can get to these things when we need to. Very cool.
Mm-hmm. Very cool.
The dark, with every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
So another thing I forgot to mention is I wanted to store Ava's stuffies. She has a ton of stuffies. I was the same exact way when I was little, and they're taking over her room. Like, she collects them, and I never want to get rid of them. I had a lot of mine for years and years, and I want her to be able to keep hers until she doesn't want them. So there are some that I'm going to fill up in the bag that she doesn't need or want like right now, because she kind of goes through cycles where she will sleep with a few of them. They'll like lay on her bed, and that's who's sleeping with her for however many weeks or months. So we're going to take some of the stuffies and store them probably in a bin, not so much the bag, because I feel like they could get smushed in there, but maybe another bin or something that can protect them. And then at least she can decide later on, as she's getting a little older, like if she wants to donate them. We don't want to keep all of them in her bedroom. So that is one of those things that we're hanging on to, that some people might just go ahead and donate or pass down to another child in the family. Anyway, so right now we're going ahead and doing some deep cleaning in my kitchen, or some regular cleaning right now, and then we're going to dive into some deep cleaning.
Friday night, yeah, I'm going out to forget how he did me wrong. Triple crowns packed, but I'm alright, gonna let myself let go. I didn't live up to his standards, but he didn't come close to mine. I was too much for him to handle. Yeah, right. I wasn't his kind of a woman, didn't fit into his mold, but I don't need his approval, so he can't mind his own. I'm blessed like that, 'cause I feel good in my skin. I don't need a man to tell me I'm the shit. Thank God that it's over, 'cause all I need to be is my kind of a woman, my kind of a woman. Friday night, center of the crowd, I'm forgetting how he did me wrong. I'm shooting jack with my ladies, flirting with strangers, baby, I'm on fire now. I didn't live up to his standards, but he didn't come close to mine. I was too much for him to handle. Yeah, right. I wasn't his kind of a woman, didn't fit into his mold, but I don't need his approval, so he can't mind his own. I'm blessed like that, 'cause I feel
So now that we're pretty much done with the normal everyday cleaning here in the kitchen, we're gonna go ahead and pull out the oven, because I want to get back there and clean up any food crumbs, grease, anything that is on the sides of my oven and underneath it. That really helps to make sure you don't have any food smells in your kitchen, because things will fall down. Sometimes you don't even realize like stuff falls in there. So I like to keep up and clean it every once in a while.
my kind of a woman. I didn't live up to his standards, but he didn't come close to mine. I was too much for him to handle.
Well, of course he couldn't handle me, because he's alright. Boom.
I wasn't his kind of a woman, didn't fit into his mold, but I don't need his approval, so he can't mind his own. I'm blessed like that, 'cause I feel good in my skin. I don't need a man to tell me I'm the shit. Thank God that it's over, 'cause all I need to be is my kind of a woman.
So something I like to use when I can't get into the cracks of areas is just wrapping a butter knife with a cleaning cloth and then sticking that in there, and it helps so much, scraping everything out, and then you just got to sweep it up or vacuum it up.
Body's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair. What can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer. I've got forever, yeah. I need you to stick around for later. I've got forever, yeah. You feel so right now. It's taking a lifetime. I need you to stay longer. I've got forever, yeah. Wanna get to know all your friends, bet I'll be loving them. I'll try to make them love me back. It won't be like it was before, easy when hearts are pure. I'm falling hard and falling fast. Oh, they can't compare. No one could ever do. Nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair. What can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer. I've got forever, yeah. I need you to stay for later. I've got forever, yeah. You feel
So I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping up the video, and I will have a part 2 or like the next episode of my decluttering series coming out next, and that is where I go into my downstairs closet. Is a hot mess, reorganize that, declutter. I want to do some more stuff in the garage. That's going to be a long project, so I want to do a little bit at a time. And then I already started filming me decluttering through my closet and my clothes, because there's quite a few clothes that I don't have any interest wearing anymore, or they don't fit anymore. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below if you've already decluttered your house, or are you still in the process of doing it. If you are, we will do it together, and I will see all of you guys in the next one.